Marissa. It isn't hard to do. She's fighting for her rights, not to be abused. Imagine that Marissa only wanted peace, and you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope today you will join us to fight for her as if we are one. Imagine no conviction. I wonder if you can. Marissa should be pardoned, and this we must demand.